Missing IPL? Me too. So I thought, why not try to play the tune on keyboard and recreate the memories and spread the joy with everyone. I'm Shrinika and you are watching Study Hub's YouTube channel. So let's start learning the IPL tune on keyboard. So the tone is trumpet. Now I'll start teaching you step by step with the notations. So the first line is, so this is the first part of the first line and the second part is, so let's see the notations. D, D sharp, F, D sharp, D, C, D, D sharp, D. This is the first part and the second part is F, D sharp, D. This part needs to be played fast. So you need to practice this. So the second line is, D is 5 times. Then D sharp. The third line is, again here D is 5 times. And the last, there is the change only in the last note, which is C. Now let's play these two lines again. So these lines need to be played fast. The fourth line is, so the second line needs to be repeated again. D, 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 D 5 times and then D sharp. So our last line is, so the first line we'll have to repeat this again. So let's see the notes. D, D sharp, F, D sharp, D, C, D, D sharp, D. I hope you will be entertained by playing this tune on keyboard. If yes, then smash the like button and subscribe my channel for more such videos. And if you have any suggestions, don't forget to drop them in the comments section below. Bye.